Hello everyone, welcome to Everest Online Academy. As a हामी class 10 को model question set 2 मा छौं त्यसमा हामी grammar को solution गर्दै छौं है. So we have this very famous question here. So city dwellers really have any leisure भनेर भनेको छ. So city dwellers भनेको छ city dwellers भनेको छ people who live in city are called city dwellers है. So उनीहरुसँग चाहिँ बिरले खाली समय हुन्छ भनेर भनेको छ. So this is a negative statement. यसको positive tag हुन्छ. So this is a simple present tense. That's why do they plural छ. City dwellers really have any leisure, do they? Next, my dog eats flesh भनेर छ. Into negative, very simple sentence. So present tense मा छ. That's why my dog doesn't eat flesh. My dog doesn't eat flesh. Easy. Rita goes to cinema once a week into how often question. So कतिको रिता सिनेमा जान्छिन् भन्दाखेरि हप्तामा एकचोटी जान्छिन् भन्ने चाहिँ आन्सर भयो. So once a week भन्ने हामीले क्वेशन मा लेख्दैनौ. यहाँ के कुन टेन्स मा छ त? सिम्पल प्रेजेन्ट टेन्स मा छ. verb 5 छ. So verb 5 छ भनेदेखि does plus verb 1 आउँछ. So how often does Rita go to the cinema भनेर भयो. How often does Rita go to the cinema? Next, number D. She generally did a Nepali song, but today she is singing an English song भनेर छ. उनले सामान्यतया नेपाली गीत गाउँछिन् तर आज उनी अंग्रेजी गीत गाउँदै छिन् भनेर छ. अब यो सेकेन्ड सेन्टेन्स चाहिँ it won't matter. So first sentence हेर्ने generally भन्ने adverb छ. That's why यो कुन टेन्स मा हुन्छ त? Simple present tense मा हुन्छ. She generally sings Nepali song, but today she is singing an English song. Next, I asked him, what are you doing? So I asked him that. यो कुन टेन्स मा छ? कुन टाइप को सेन्टेन्स छ? प्रेजेन्ट टेन्स छ and WH क्वेशन छ. So WH word लेख्ने and then यसलाई स्टेटमेन्ट मा लेख्ने. So I asked him that what he was doing भनेर भयो. What he was doing. Okay, next. I have been given this book by my sister भनेर भयो. So यो passive मा छ, यसलाई active मा लग्नु पर्यो है. So हामीले this book लाई अगाडि ल्याए पनि हुन्छ, my sister लाई अगाडि लिएर आए पनि हुन्छ. यहाँ by plus agent छ, so my sister लाई अगाडि लिएर. So my sister has given me this book. Either way, तपाईले this book लाई पनि अगाडि ल्याउन सक्नुहुन्छ है. So यसरी हामीले यो set 2 को solve गर्यौं and हामीले अरु सेटहरुको and past क्वेशनहरु पनि we have solved it. So हजुरहरुले सबै भिडियो हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.